In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious hedgehog snack recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need pears, green grapes, red grapes, and toothpicks. We're going to score a line in the middle of our pear, and we're going to use a peeler to peel the skin off. Slice off a piece from the bottom so that they can stand up easily. We're going to place a grape on a toothpick and push it down halfway. Now we're going to stick the toothpick into the hedgehog and repeat all the way around the hedgehog until it's filled. Cut the tip of the nose off for the hedgehog. We're going to cut a quarter piece off of our red grape. Use a toothpick to secure it in place as a nose. Our hedgehog snack recipe is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.